Welcome to All Mode Voice, End User Training. This module will detail the operation and management of voicemail within the All Mode Voice hosted phone service. This module will also describe using the All Mode Voice Snap Mobile client. If you are not familiar with Snap Mobile, or need a review, please watch the Snap Mobile modules. The links are in the description. If you enjoy our YouTube videos, click the like button, and hit the subscribe button in order to see our latest training videos. Press the notification bell to be notified of new videos, and leave a comment if you find this content helpful. Voicemail can be managed from 3 locations: via an audio interface from the desk phone, through the web portal, or through the Snap Mobile client. Each of these methods are described in separate training modules. This module will discuss how to manage voicemail using the Snap Mobile client. The first step is to sign in to Snap Mobile. While viewing the contacts homepage, any new messages will appear in a red bubble next to the voicemail icon. The number of messages will be displayed in the bubble. Press the voicemail icon to access new messages. Voicemail messages can be viewed and managed from the app. The user has the ability to view new messages, saved messages, and deleted messages. Clicking on the message banner displays the sender, length of the message, speaker or handset option, and the play, pause button. At the bottom of the message banner, the recipient has the option to call the sender, forward the message, save the message, choose other available options, or delete the message. The other available options are to call the sender, send a chat message, save voicemail, forward the voicemail, view the sender's contact information, or delete the message. If you are interested in finding out more about All Mode Communications and the products and services we offer, please visit our website, allmode.com, or feel free to call us at 877-ALL-MODE. That's 877-255-6633. To play the message, press the message banner and then press the play icon. Once the message has been played, select one of the previously mentioned options to properly handle the message. The Save Voicemail option moves the message to the saved folder. Forward Voicemail allows the user to forward the message to another system user by selecting from the contacts list. The user has the ability to record and manage mailbox greetings through the Snap Mobile app. To do so, press the hamburger button in the lower right corner of the screen. Select Greetings from the menu. The current active greeting is displayed and identified by a checkmark. Press the down arrow to access the greeting. The play icon will play the greeting. Select will provide the option to allow the chosen greeting to become the active greeting. Delete will discard the selected greeting. If you have further questions about All Mode Voice, or are interested in the All Mode Voice product, please send an email to voice@allmode.com. The plus sign in the upper right corner permits the user to record a new mailbox greeting. Enter a name for the greeting, then tap the microphone icon to record. Press the stop button to end the recording. Press the play button to listen, the redo button to re-record, or the save button to save the greeting. After pressing save, the new greeting will now be displayed in the greetings list. The user can now choose which greeting to use for their mailbox. This concludes this module of All Mode Voice, End User Training. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.